What's going on, guys? This is Ryan with Anything RC, and today we're going to explode a Lipo battery, show you guys what happens when they short out or they catch on fire. Look at it. Yep, it's smoking a little bit. I see it swelling. It's going to go. Close the door to the shop, please. Wait, make sure it's not locked. If it is, then unlock it. Don't lock it. Whoa.
That's what was happening in my pocket.
That's only one cell. Be careful, there's more. And they can't pop and explode, so keep your face away from it. That's literally only one of the 3 cells. Ready, guys?
And there's the rest of the cells.
Is that the third one?
This one's puffing at us.
Disintegrated the entire battery.
And this is why you always charge them in a bag.
Came all the way apart.
Burn the wood up.
Yeah, hell it did.
That's what it looks like, the plates inside. Got another one, this one's a 2 cell.
It's got a harder case on it.
There it goes.
Here we're gonna pick it up.
Ooh, there it goes. Show what they look like when they pop.
Yeah.
That's what they look like when they short out.
Some of them will actually shoot flames out.
Oh yeah.
Like a flamethrower?
Usually when you overcharge them, they'll pop like that.
So if you leave it on the battery after it goes green?
Or if you overcharge the amount of amps it can handle, if it can only handle a certain amount of amps, like say 5 amps, and you charge it at 14 amps, it'll start doing the same thing while it's charging.
Except in a house.
Mm-hmm.
And that's worse.
And that's why you put them in the protective bags.
So the protective bag's supposed to like make it so it doesn't blow up?
Yes. Well, it won't catch your house on fire.
That's how they make a cell. And then what they do is they get fucking thousands of these motherfuckers, and they charge them all at the same time. And then they get the ones that have like resistance in them. So the ones that are similar in resistance, which means they discharge at the same value, then they put those packs together and make batteries.
That's crazy.
Because they can't have them
Doing different type.
well, you can't have them dropping different. You can't have them at different rates because then they drop the current different, and then they don't stay balanced as much. And if you have one cell that drops too low, they end up doing that.
Cell's going, huh?
Something's going. It's dumping power to the whole pack.
How many amps you set it at?
30.
30 amps. Oh man.
Now it's a 3-cell. Now it's gonna fucking pop. Not giving it very many amps. There it goes, 6, 7. It's only at 0.0 and it's not even at 1 amp. There it goes. It's got an amp now going to it.
I'm watching the battery.
And I have it set at high voltage too.
Oh, okay. Watch the battery, so if it starts
It's
moving.
at 5 amps, it's at 6 amps. It's at 7 amps. It's at 8 amps. 9. 10 amps.
The battery's not moving
11
yet.
amp. 12. 12 and a half. 13.
14's when they go
14.
quick.
15 amp. 16 amp. We're holding at 16, 15, 9, 2. It's taking 15 amp right now. It stopped at 15.
I'm surprised that hasn't done anything at all yet. That's a lot of amps in a battery.
It's gonna pop, dude. I have it set on high voltage too, so it's going to pop.
I'm surprised it didn't swell or anything yet. Look at it. Twisting. See the battery move?
Oh yeah. Oh, look at it swelling up. It's going right now, boys.
Be ready for this.
Look at that mother. It's going.
Oh, this is gonna be a good. Oh,
They're
it's
starting to
going.
smoke. It's starting to smoke.
Unplug, unplug. Ooh. We're doing
Not smart things.
stay back, Kay. I'm gonna set this charger inside. Watch out, Kay. Has she been here this whole time?
Yes.
What's up, bud?
Watch out, there goes the last cell.
Back up. Let me grab this.
What are you gonna do?
Going blew up the Lipo battery. We did it, guys.
And that's what happens if you overcharge a Lipo. Lipo number 4.
Daddy, go away from it.
It's getting hot.
Come on,
The plastic was holding it good.
Whoa, one of them popped.
One of them did,
Come
dude.
on, do it one more time. Daddy.
Once you start breaking Lipos, usually they're pretty dangerous, but this shows you actually how safe they are at the same time too.
Don't forget, hit that bell.